Are you planning a move to the UK, or maybe you're already there, trying to figure out how to manage your hard-earned money across continents? You have a question, and it is a vital one. Is there a Westpac Bank in the UK? Listen to me. The short answer is yes. Technically, there is a Westpac presence in London. It has been there in some form for a very long time. But, and this is the massive but that you need to hear before you make any assumptions with your life savings, it is not the kind of Westpac Bank you are thinking of. It is not a high street retail branch. You cannot walk up to an ATM on a London street corner, put your card in, and pull out British pounds without fees. You cannot walk through a set of double doors, sit down with a friendly teller, and open up a local checking account or manage your retirement distributions. That is the reality. Westpac's office in London is an institutional and corporate branch. It is there to handle massive corporate clients, international trade, and wholesale banking. It is not there for you and me as individual everyday consumers. Now, why does this matter so much? Because when you are retired, or when you are staring retirement right in the face, security, certainty, and access to your money are everything. The fear of being cut off from your funds, or watching your fixed income get absolutely eaten alive by hidden international fees and terrible foreign exchange rates, is a real, valid fear. You might be asking yourself, if I move, or if I travel for an extended period, how do I get my money? Will my retirement checks get lost in transit? Am I going to be stranded without a financial lifeline? I understand that fear. When you've worked 40 years to build a nest egg, the last thing you want is for your money to feel out of reach or vulnerable. If you show up in the UK expecting Westpac to be your financial home base, you are going to face a very rude awakening. You will be dealing with standard international banking rules, which means every time you use your Australian or New Zealand Westpac card at a UK ATM, or every time you make a purchase, you could be hit with foreign transaction fees and converted at rates that favor the bank, not you. Over a year, that can drain thousands of dollars right out of your pocket. That is money that should be buying your groceries, paying your rent, or funding your travel. So what do you do? What is your actionable takeaway here? You have to be smart, and you have to act before you pack a single suitcase. Do not leave this until you land at Heathrow. First, if you want to keep things strictly within a traditional banking system, you need to look at global banks that actually have a retail footprint in both regions, or look into opening a local UK bank account the moment you qualify. Major UK high street banks like HSBC, Barclays, or Lloyds are everywhere. But remember, opening a traditional bank account in the UK as a new arrival can sometimes be a bureaucratic nightmare because they require strict proof of a local UK address, which you might not have right away. Second, consider modern financial technology. For retirees today, this is a game changer. Look into multi-currency accounts, like Wise or Revolut. These platforms allow you to hold money in Australian dollars, New Zealand dollars, and British pounds all in one digital account. You can convert your money at the real exchange rate, the one you see on Google, not the marked up rate a traditional bank forces on you. They give you a debit card that automatically spends in the local currency of whatever country you are standing in, with virtually no foreign transaction fees. This allows you to receive your home country pension or retirement drawdowns, hold it securely, and convert it to pounds only when you need it. Your money represents your freedom and your peace of mind in retirement. Do not leave its safety to chance, and do not assume your home bank will be there to catch you across the ocean. Look into a multi-currency solution or prepare your documentation for a local UK bank account today. Take control of your financial transition now, protect your nest egg, and ensure that your retirement is filled with joy, not financial stress. You can do this, but you must be proactive.